did not, that, I was so angry, like, you don't know me, like, the lie was heavy.
Abi?
And I was really angry, but I forgave him because I feel like I've come to realize that many of those cyberspace, so they call themselves, okay? Many of those cyberspace they are like lying tongues, okay? So personally, since the day I was lied on, I don't really believe anything anymore. So I used to believe before. But the point now is, Mr. Ozula, if I were you, sir, someone said you did this and did that to your own daughter.
I'm listening. Hello? Hello? We should wait. Maybe network is a network or a break. Let us wait. Hello?
Anyways, I won't. Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
I'm hearing you now.
Point of correction. You know, I did not specifically say someone is a lying tongue. I generalized it. I said many people that have watched. But this commenter said, now your mama be lying tongue. That's why I don't take.
Wait, they call her. Wait, they call her block her. Wait, they call her block her.
No, don't worry about them.
Don't be lying on the live for social media before. When I wait the two present, don't be lying on the two. Don't be lying on the talk.
He naturally, no, don't worry about them. See, he naturally don't concern me because.
Excuse me, ma. Please just wait for 30 seconds. Epa, share the comment and happy the last is so. Hey, which one, baby shine? Why you go to insult her mother and she talk anything bad?
It's okay. Don't worry. I understand them. Don't worry yourself. I know this.
Take this thing easily now.
That's why I don't take them serious. I don't take them serious.
Okay.
Hello, Epa Obota Epa Lamogo.
Yeah, what
See this woman.
What the call? Person says something. Why they talk about social media? Not by why you know.
Epa is all beneath people.
All beneath presenter. All beneath presenter in social media. They are liars. Come here, get that away from here. Everyone to what they tell her.
The illiteracy, they say.
What the matter? When they talk to before, all the presenters in social media, they are liars.
I don't take them personal. Baby Shine, I'm a presenter. If you want to face me, face me. But meanwhile, before you start facing me, use English. I'm ready for that.
Madam, if anyone says, bring your video for me, now the truth to talk, all of them are liars.
They are crazy people, I must confess.
Yes,
they are crazy,
talk to us.
People.
Talk to us
so
now.
Baby Shine,
talk to us.
Time, if you really want to talk to me, check me out. Check my profile. You want to talk to me?
Talk to us now. Mama, talk to us now. Mama, talk to us.
I don't got time for
Mama, talk to us.
So, yes, I would personally advise Jackie, in all honesty, if indeed he did it or he did not do it, that is none of my business. But I will advise him to remove himself off this saga, considering his status. It's just my opinion. I am only advising him based on what I will advise my own family member or my own self. There are levels you get in life, not like we are both God, but there are certain levels you get in life. You tend to overlook some certain things. It could be very hard. It is pain for body, but you go overlook. Ayelala is not the solution. I must tell you the truth.
What is the solution?
I don't.
What is the solution? What is the
solution?
solution?
The solution is, he asks, the solution is, God knows his heart. He didn't.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. Well, upon your lies, they pull for a body for social media.
It's painful, I know.
You say, me, now waiting first to fight for itself. Then want to fight for itself, madam. But
I hope this thing will not have a repercussion in the.
If they have repercussion to everybody, it's all left for them so that they will stop telling lies.
So I consider this man's kids.
Listen, what do you say just now? You say all those presenters that do supposed to be liars.
I know, they lie.
So if you can lay the cost of all of them because they are liars, if the children is inside, let them buy.
Please don't say that, please. I know you have a good heart, I know, but please. I'm not your follower even yet. I'm just scrolling on my TikTok. I'm trying to post a video, and I just saw you saying Frank Omonso, which I don't like calling him that, but please, I am sorry. I don't like juju stuff. It's just me, okay? It's me. But if the man wants to
listen,
go juju,
madam, let me tell you something. Okay? You cannot tell somebody what he go to fight for a body.
Right.
So if anybody they talk before, now they know it does almost then. May they go do and finish for where they want to do a madam. You understand me? But this family will bring Sula on social media. They be a wife, sister. But they want to put bad name, put bad narrative upon Sula. So but Sula want to clean the name.
Did he ask kids?
That doesn't mean.
Oh my goodness.
When they have kids, before these people supposed to know that this is their in-law. You have kids before they come and say rubbish what they say. The rubbish that we say out of their mouth, they're supposed to know is their in-law. He have kids for their sister have kids for him.
It's so unfortunate, Sha, but if that is your opinion, if that's what decision he has decided to go with, it's well.
Okay, but you want it all the old lies they put for you. You think one may take and close, but made it for a body.
No. I'm not saying that you should accept it. Like if he was to be a presenter, like if he could come to your platform and just debunk those lies, that's enough. Just said, I don't do it. I didn't do it.
It's not easy to debunk lies like that. It's not easy to debunk lies like that.
I know. These people lie a lot. There was a woman from your state, Jesus Christ, that woman lied. Do you know that video went viral? Like it was a pure lie. I laid curse on her. I did not go to Ayelala. That woman, these people lie a lot. Many of them lie a lot. Only few Adobe cyberspace presenters speak truth. They lie a lot.
Yes, it's true to attain. I will not argue. Madam, I will not argue that from you. You are saying the exactly truth. As you see them, they lie. They want to destroy people to achieve what they want to achieve.
I don't know why they do that.
Because they did not train them from a good home. They are wayward children and wayward daughters. Tell me, Ashawo, woman we can't do Ashawo with the life. Woman we can't do Ashawo with the life.
They look like truth, oh. Their lie, they look like truth. Their lie. If you know, get person where fit sit down digest like you are.
Madam, Madam, it don't bring your juju, it go so much then. Anybody will lie for a head. Make them go carry the. If you don't do the video, what you do before you quick come out now and say you don't know now what did they talk now you talk. You can't go debunk for your platform. So you go to form say see this boy don't bring your juju come on. You know go send me now what did they talk right talk. You go deny your own for your fans. You understand me? Because all those people, this for now is not any edit to anybody. All those people in those cyberspace, we know them. Since more than 10 years now, this thing at the quarter they will put. Now the quarter, now the cause fight with them. They too talk lie.
No, they too talk for real. That one have 100 organic.
You see, woman will go to a shower for road, not be lie, I go learn for a road. Now you go to talk for people body. Make you look all of them. If you don't fight, they go fight their children.
Like if you don't have concrete evidence, if you don't have solid evidence, if you don't have like the evidence you sure say not true, don't say it. Don't say it. Even allegedly it's not allowed. There are certain things I can never say. Imagine say person say your papa they do faka in Pekin. I mean, it sounds stupid to me. It's not something any child wants to be known with. How can papa do faka Pekin and you think it's okay for us to analyze it? And so I feel sad for someone to say papa do faka Pekin. I can't say it with my mouth. I will not, because it's not something that I wish
person wife by the way they're supposed to do sympathize with. A family of his sister, a family of his wife, they run pre-constitution media. What he has, they say, more find the solution. What he kill my wife. Now the question where they ask, they run come because of property.
Just pray God forgiveness upon everyone.
Because of property, now they don't come social media. Because of property, now they don't come. And they know what he do their sister.
2026 is so painful. All right, sir. Thank you so much for giving me listening here. And for that one that, you see, this is their problem. I don't watch those cyber people. I used to watch Frank Victor, like I said. Me, I don't know how to deceive anyone. I don't know how to pretend. And no one is feeding me. Even if I told someone is feeding me, I still want to speak the truth. I was really a top fan. Until when one day something happened, I called in and I said, why will you be bringing women's nakedness? Why you go sleep with women? Can't see the talking now? This one. If you see the courses they were laying, just like this fool, Baby Shine, already laying courses on family. You can't lay courses on my family.
Madam, what are they telling you? Right from the one, they tell you I'm gonna look and say I'm evil and liar. None of them believe me. So that one are your fault. If you
don't watch it,
listen. Mama, wait. That one where they call the lay course for you are your fault because you don't even like they tell you I'm gonna run for her.
Me, I know they see all these videos. I'm telling the truth. I only watched 2 presenters from Edo Cyberspace, Endurance Okoro and Frank Victor. I don't know about other platforms. I don't.
Frank Victor, me they tell you now. Some of your people when they say do presenter, you see tell them say it's a bloody liar, it's evil.
But the worst part is if you cannot tell them the truth, they will start laying.
So as you don't pull life for your head, now you can't know a bad person, now you wrong, Abi?
I run, no. I don't fish out. I run.
No wrong. Sit there for there.
I showed my husband the video. My man, Chineke, me say, Chineke. I say if to say I be bad person, if to say you did this country, me I go swap normally. That's the whole fact. I don't swap. But me, I get the benefit to swap.
You go swap. What do you go?
Yes, I go sue, but I will not go juju. I will sue him. Yes, I'm not hiding my mouth. I would have sued him for lying on me with no evidence. So I forgive him. I forgive him. Do I hate him? No, I don't hate him. God forbid. He's human being. People make mistakes, so I've walked away.
For that, madam, I'm coming again. Let me come again. For that way you talk, say Edo presenters, we do social media, they are liars. You did not say lie. You are saying the truth. I'm an Edo man. I know these people. If you can come and tell you are a liar and it's truth, I cannot deny it from them. All of them are bloody liar.
Yeah, I don't even want to get close to them. I don't. Then they lie you. I just stumble on your own platform now. Then they lie. So when because I know people call him Frank Omonso, but I don't ever want
some of these presenters, wait, see they, some of Yoruba presenter, or those tribe. Now so they see they talk lie, but those presenters is the worst liars.
No, regardless of those other tribes which are not Edos, I don't still watch them. I do my own stuff. I do analysis, okay?
I don't know. I did not know your name, presenter. What is your name, presenter?
But I'm not Edo Cyberspace presenter.
What is your name so that I will come and trust you?
Don't worry. I did not come here to advertise myself. So,
but tell me so that I will come and look for you your page. Calm
down, first. Let's just forgive, please. Please. I know you can speak to.
No, matter. I beg. No, it doesn't not talk again. Now, Tino Juju will go to body. We'll go and body. Tino Juju now want to strike these people. No, Mama, not that beg. We don't need that. My beg. We don't need that.
You get why you?
No, Mama, I know why you again. If you do video before you spoil,
the truth.
Mama, if you do video spoil, I go and come out now. You don't know for inside.
I'm telling you the truth. You get why? Believe me. You not spiritual person. Reason to with me. You get why?
Okay, madam. I want leave. Madam, I want leave now. I want leave now, Mama. Okay, bye. Till next time. We see next time.
All right. No wahala. No wahala. Thank you.
Okay. Moi leave now. So if you are doing no work in this it's when away time inside now with dog. In away time inside now with dog where e mata no wo lo we ko wie yin na da sin ri egbe yin na esin I'm also a presenter. Egbe am with the matter in we gun ayo na wo do yin na gwarege. All you delete, you go delete all your video, or you delete and come on for your page, or you start to do video now. No be you go tell person, madam. No be you go tell person as you want to fight for yourself. So it's not the social media. My good sister, make una the know as una the top put. So that sister when he come just now where he come call, say that woman. That's why they tell you now, if they do something, you not do and well. You see, all those tribes now for our side now, they know say Edo presenters, they are liars. They know if you talk their own, I say that they lie, but wait till they don't see for our hand. For those Sabbath and they talk followers. So wait till me know say that they lie. You that my sister will come up, your son. I know if we collect them for you, say they know they lie, they lie. If we say the truth shall set us free. So now when they don't know, so una be liar. Make una deviate for liar. Monica, I teach you 20%. Una can't increase them to 100%. So meanwhile, almost will can't increase them to 100%. You don't see this woman. He said now almost when they follow still when he lie put for a head. Now he run for now. But when I tell my sister say more and run for now in evil, now so lie fully man to not believe. But this woman make una understand say Edo presenters we do for Edo server space. They are liars. It's a shameful for our part. Make una the shame. Bad disgrace in Warigi, Buwa, one of the Buwa presenter. I'm not a presenter. When you come a presenter of Boku Tame or Bonegbe Winek Bokpa. But una the wrong, they can't just one can't defend yourself. What una one can't defend? One and also not be liar. Eh? Asha who very phone for road where they talk like to Oyibo, waiting for Oyibo money can't give that. Now liar. Now what una they present for live video? Asha who wait if laptop where they give laptop where give person for us. He not give the person different for road. Then he called a social media now. Wait una the show person and lie. Una stay for live video for 4 hours. Una not get waiting at the top. Una so be presenter. Una presenter when me know as a presenter. Press. They'll go on live for 20 minutes. They don't come off for line. They'll go on line for 20 minutes. They'll go on 20 minutes for line. When they go on 20 minutes for line, wait till they come present. They'll present at the White House. Una did there for 4 hours, 5 hours. Una go to talk rubbish come out for months. Una see una just see una self. Una just see una self finish. Other people they do this presenting work. Other people they do, other country people they do. But they do people they take and they abuse them as they abuse a shower road. Mama climb up again. You will come just and climb up again, madam. No, we can't talk. I know say you be being girl. You will be climb up just and you do. With the way if anything reach our hand, with the doors, we go spoil them. The time when they open, the time when they open up, the better I do. The time when they open Africa shop, now so they do them. The time when they do actual work, now so they misuse them. The time when the carriers guys come, now so they misuse them. So, sister, go. Hello.
Epa bota lamogusa.
Oboki wa to, omona wa won go.
Epa la egui, esistani wo ban egui veni ya gwegun e.
Okay, egui.
Net egui. Tiwa mo wa we Bini people ya.
Bini people don't presenter kai. O we they do presenter no red do sabas with the alliance. The way adam e fit na. Ya afin alaga ba mi dan yo.
Okay, negui. Kai sala we de gui.
My queen. My queen. In voice we na the neck be said it voice we na wa gbe me said it. Wa to mi la gbo ama we gbogbo mo do wo ni ma do.
Ife pakebu we.
So honestly ni ana gun akeke ti more than 5 years, 6 years, 7 years ke tell na my yan. I was say now only clean but here we my years school but aboya begging no sunu na ni avede na. Ni ke sole li abi ko na no yan we social media here that this place gbe an ade igwalodo una gwalodo la o wa single mother hun ti presenter wa mi pe anu ma enu da take boy you ven e disgrace ni ya kin o ni ado we platform ni ado we platform yo re ni disgrace ya ri ni we do ni ke boyan we go boyan we imanyu ye presenter obokin o yoro ovie kanu ye ready ya mu we do gboto yori so begging na yana ko ni re bania Ogbe from Victor almost roye telele owo no ya mo re gba yen ya gbogbo ilẹ emi ku ni hin ni meke kam wa ya fe wa lene wa we wa you but wa ya abi ko ni ya ni bi aka dabe al muja imba we muja ne abi ko ni me we alele ni bi aka mi hu dano wa dano e ya na ya anyu ne but so iye go no na aka no mo so wa dan mo dan but I ya mo dan ma wa mo so bi ego na
yeah
almost wa dan no ya we no do come agbon so ya ku ya na gbon ya we go agbon ma ye school e me beg bu da o e ga dey video ya ni wu na ivian I'm a gift to go while we have no man. We talk to my mommy no yet. Take gift. Imagine with YouTube, man. More than 7 years now, you monetize it. Imagine that boy. Or ever. Even video you monetize it. Or monetize page, you know, but he said you get boy. You make your social media don't come here to cool in la wa. Ni awe mi away. Eh, we need tie to. In ye kuya here. But now when quite on Facebook he come here.
Yeah. Facebook what do come.
And ya that doesn't moon it when he come here 2026 in my vulu. What off with me? Oh, go no way now. When you are telling on your na, I with daddy go with you, as I with daddy. As I with daddy, we have a one with one a daddy got you where saying where. Eh?
Hello, pa.
Eh?
Where minute?
Yeah, Lutane. Hello.
Hey, we are here, Nuta.
La you bomb with daddy say.
Hello, pa.
Are you bomb with daddy say? Hey, I get better than on your abu pony. I you boy tag having on your babu pony. You see her. Oh my God, who daddy do? Who daddy do?
Yes, pa.
Okay. Ciao. Okay. So if you are doing working on this,
in comment section.
Okay, what we say? If you are doing working on this, I will be married, man. I will no more banafo. Eri manarokba. Oro baby ni era ya kukoma. Oro baby ni ya kukoma. So papa mahaga guyana gua. Nuda no busi Morocco. Mweka kanya kila video. Ege na nyonu weka Morocco ya gma na wawenya ya de funye la wa. E mnoke ya ritala jan unu. Ya control ni ya. Egbe mo be yo ka wenya ye school. Ya we school ni ya jo na me ma English. In set is English for 4 hours. It's when Mona no we present na. Yeah, I begin to wonder that way school in Ajo. In kele we belu ga no ge school. Ina do megbe. In ta amu ma gboto. In ma mu mi agbon re de. In awu. O ma be ni meje ya mo so gime. A do tale mo ma emu la wa settle in awu. Wa ma gume settle. Iri ewewo. Any I want to tell us something on social media or want to tell me the record and I don't pay my mom. Email ya woni, email get $80 So egbe ma be ni ya fe. Wa bege e di again no koni na agun aba. Because me agata e ma ja meji. O vie go jo ka we presenters o get do. O de Monica kaka mi atu ari woni ari 22% by almost ogire on increase it to 100%. Oh, more your magbe, or my dog magawu because of Danyoni. I told your magbe or young week I can't wo my dog magawu. So, when you come my ban, dear really near time page where a jacky lobby covier, no rule a latina. Or rule a la joy a car where, oh, Rianta or Yari bedbody, ne? Every come my ban. Because our boy, a jacky can do. Our bear can do, no, I am being. Oh, Viega, raw. Oh, we are not set here to go to anywhere, any other king you want to take far. Oh, the Akbara very tory. Hello.